Today I'll show you a new money making method where you earn up to $7 per second this Xmas period by just watching videos online. Before I start, I would like you to go to this website. This website is completely free, secure and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn free money online just by simply completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows and doing offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on watching videos because it's something you already do every day, even on YouTube, and it pays you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. Now, the video is not YouTube video, so if you want to make money by watching YouTube video like this one you're watching now, join Roladel plan by going to the first link in the description below. So now let's go back to the website and click on the watching TV option. Now allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1 is to create a free account on the website. Step 2, select a channel that interests you, and after that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out for more earning by switching between different channels of your choice, and finally exchange your points for cash or gift card. It's just that simple and easy. So make sure you watch this video and all the way through to properly understand how this website works. And if you are new to Roladel business, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more money making videos like this. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the home page and enter your email address and create a password and just click sign up now. You might also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience without going through any firm. Now, once you log into your account, you can check how much money you can make on this website. You can see that people have already made anything from $200 to $500 and even more. Be the next to make it through this website, and I'm going to show you how. These individuals are all earning money by watching videos, completing surveys or doing offers. The best part is there are a large number of videos available here, and all of those videos reset every day, which means that there is an endless opportunity for you to earn money here by just watching videos, which is very fantastic for those who need to make Xmas money this period. So to get started, click watch on the left hand side. After that, you'll see these buses as you see from your screen. If you over your cursor over them, you will see the offered details. Next, select literally by clicking the start button. You will then be taken to this page where you can select the video category of your choice. You have the option of selecting from the categories of full, DIY or random videos depending on you. On the right hand side, you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If I select for example, I'll be taken to this website. You need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right there. To do so, enter your email address, create a password and just click sign up using the button. After creating a suitable account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click this one right here, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I will have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. Using that way, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Thus, you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings to save data. I know you don't want to spend much on data, so I'll cover you. I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are more quite effective, and you can use them right away to double, triple or even quadruple your earnings in a single day of this website. By the way, before I forget, this website is called Zoomboxcom. This website accepts people from all over the world. Now, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you're watching this video from, because in that way, I can create specific content for your region in my future videos. Now that you know how to make money on this website by just watching videos, I'd like to show you another way to make money with this site, and that is by filling out surveys on the left hand side of your account dashboard. You should see surveys which you should click. By doing so, you'll be able to be presented with a list of companies that offer you simple surveys to complete. Each survey will pay you about 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3 and $5 or much more as shown here. Simply click on the company that offers you the most amount of money. After that, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account with the company of your choice and begin taking as many surveys as you like. If anything, I would say that the only downside to using this website is the fact that the money you will earn with this won't be decent enough, and that means you will still need more side income to solve that. That's why you need to subscribe to Roladel Business and turn on the notification bell so that we can send you notification anytime we drop another interesting videos like this.